Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. So there's a guy on YouTube called Gregory Mannarino. Man, Greg, if you're watching this, man, I apologize for screwing up your last name. Mannarino. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, he put up a video a couple weeks ago, and I watched it before, and I watched it again just recently. And what he says is actually some quite good comments. If you want to go to his channel, Greg Mannarino, just type in Greg Mannarino, and he comes up on YouTube. You'll be able to see what he's saying through that. A lot of things he says I like, because I'm learning from him as well too, and some things I think, some videos he puts out, I think is just total dog shit. That's just my thing there. You know, the good things I like about Greg Mannarino is that he talks a lot about the fundamentals of what's happening in the economy and what Janet Yellen says and what's happening in the bond market, which is about this video here, about the debt market meltdown. Here it comes. And he talks a lot about that. So that's the good stuff I like about him. But the stuff that I don't like about him, he doesn't actually give you any charts. He doesn't actually teach you any techniques to benefit from, you know, from this up move, from a down move, or what he looks for in stuff like that. I think that's where he lacks big time when he does that. But overall, all in all, he's very, very good at his fundamentals. He's very, very good at the bigger picture. There's only one big issue with that, is the big picture will always be the big picture. But the chart analysis teaches you what's happening right now in the economy and what's going on right now in the economy, and to help you fine tune not just the bigger picture but the large picture, because that big picture may take a year for that whole thing to unfold, but the charts are going to go up and down, swing forward, back and forwards, and that's what's going to really, really help you. So anyway, so Greg, this video I actually really do like. He talks about the bond market, and he talks about how the bond market yield is actually starting to flatten. And it's starting to it's very soon it should be pointing down. Now, he was saying that, he said the last time that actually happened, so let me actually bring my trendline drawing tools up. The last time that the yield curve actually started flattening, the bond yield curve started flattening, was actually in 2000, which was the dot-com bubble, and also 2008. Or 2007, before the 2008 crash. And every time this happened, we actually got a big move down, So with that all being said, guys, and with that being said about what the market is doing, it's really, really interesting. He says that, and how he's saying that what's he's saying in this video, what's coming up in the horizon is is obviously he's actually calling for a big meltdown as well too. Now he is a bit wishy-washy about, does he think the Fed's going to keep pushing this up, or does he think this market's going to keep stripping off 1,000 points? So one week he's saying that the Fed can't help but print money and push the market higher, and then another video he's saying that, well, it looks like we're going to have 1,000-point drop. So that's what he said today. But overall and all, guys, this is not me having a go at Greg. I'm just being honest with him and just giving my honest opinion about him. I'm not going to blow wind up anyone's backside. I don't think anyone agrees with everything I say, and I don't disagree with that. But he talks about that bond yield happening and a big crash happening. So go over there and check the video out if you want to. But all in all, guys, the best thing that I can teach you is how to read the charts, and that's the reason why you can see on this video, or around this video, I'm giving away that free trading course. And I teach you amazing trading systems. I teach you amazing charting techniques that really helps you move forward in today's market. It's a full-blown trading course. It's like 12 videos. Each video goes about half an hour to 40 minutes long, teaching you exactly what to do and how to read the charts properly. And each video focuses on one major powerful technique. And again, it's 12 videos long, focused on mindset, focused on biggest mistakes, focused on trading systems, super trader form, and so much more. So guys, the best thing you can do to learn how to read the market, to learn how to do this properly, is to learn how to read the charts. Now, it's also good if you can get the fundamentals, which what Greg is actually talking about, which I do like. If you can get your fundamentals and line that up with the technical part, let's just do a blue here, the technical part of the picture. So if you got technical plus fundamentals together, coming in together, that there is truly powerful. Fundamentals are really good, but the one thing I learned back in 2008 is that the 2008 stock market crash, a lot of stocks were fundamentally so undervalued, but the market kept going down. Technically, it will say the market's going to go down, So I believe reading the weekly charts, reading the daily charts, and learning how to read the charts properly. So, guys, once again, guys, learning about all these fundamentals about the bond yields and the debt market and all that sort of stuff is very important, because it gives you that bigger picture view of what's likely to come over the next 6 months or so. But the technical pattern is where you should be focused on. That's teaching what's happening right now, what's likely to happen in the short term. That's what I mainly focus on. So, guys, there should be a link around here on the screen or wherever. Go get that free trading course, or from my website, go get the free trading course. It's 12 videos long, and it really does help you move forward. If you want to become a good trader, you need to learn how to read charts. So many fundamental traders just don't know how to read charts, and they don't know when a good time is to enter. They say, oh, well, this is fundamentally undervalued, let me buy now. Apparently silver and gold are fundamentally undervalued, or have been fundamentally undervalued for the last couple of years. And I know so many hedge fund traders that are fundamental, so this is fundamentally undervalued. So fundamentally undervalued, gold and silver. And they just kept buying it. And they were down for 2 years, and it's only this first half of the 2016 year that they've actually recouped their losses, because we had a big bull run in 2016. But the thing is, with me, I hopped in silver, and I've experienced the start of this bull run. You know what I'm saying there? So by having charts, it actually can show you really good times. Anyway, guys, go click on that link below. Go over and start getting into my free course, because that's what it's really going to help you moving forward. If you want to become a good trader, you need to learn how to start reading the charts. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.